Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there, everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. And guys, I hope you are doing what you need to do to stay safe with all this crazy virus stuff that we have going on. Guys, I am participating in another collaboration. And as you can see, this time it's not a tablescape. I'm participating in a open collab that is hosted by Ms Tammy Thompson. Her channel is Tammy Thompson TV MG. And what she's done is to put together a collaboration that will run the entire year, and it's the Entryway Decor Collab 2020. This month, the hashtag is Entryway Decor Collab March 2020. Now, what we were to do is to do a refresh each month on our entryway. Just need to change a little something. And it doesn't matter what we have in our entryways. Just kind of spruce it up a little bit. And we'll do that on the last Thursday of each month. Now, I don't know if you know Tammy, if you're a member of her channel. But if you're not, please go over and show her some love. Again, her channel is Tammy Thompson TV MG. And Tammy does tablescapes, interior decorating, hauls, you name it. I really enjoy her videos, and I'm sure you will too. And again, I will have a link in the description box to her channel as well as the hashtag. And as soon as it's available, the playlist, that way you can find all the other creators, because you know I'm sure they've come up with some great videos that you want to see and you don't want to miss. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is take you step by step with what I'm going to do with my entryway table. I've decided to leave the mirror that's up there that you see, but I'm going to design around that. And each time I put a new piece in, I'll explain to you, what I'm doing, and we'll go from there. The first thing I'm going to do is clean the table and the floor, make sure all of that area is cleaned up, and that's what we'll do. So we'll pause for a second while I get everything cleaned up, and then we'll start decorating this table. All right, guys, so the table is nice and clean, and I've cleaned the floor. I'll get a little closer and let you see. I have put a runner down the table. It's white and silver. And before this, since this is glass, I usually just leave the glass exposed. But for this, we're changing up, and this is spring, so I wanted to do something different. So got my runner down, and now I'm going to start adding a few decor items. All right, guys, so we have added, of course, in the last part, we added the runner. I've now added a mirror, and the silver things that you see on the wall, hanging on each side of the wall mirror. Those are some things that I've had for years. They were brown, actually, because my decor, previously the brown, was a good match. But I decided to spray paint them for this refresh. And so they were hanging there before, and you did see them in the previous picture. But again, or in the original picture, of what it looked like before we started refreshing, but they're silver now. And again, I did that with Krylon. I think it was high gloss silver. I think so. But anyway, they came out really nice. I like them. It looks a lot brighter. than the brown, and they match the mirror that I have over the entryway table. So now I'll start adding some decor pieces. All right, so we've got a vase that I DIY'd some time ago. I think there's a video maybe. In fact, there is a video of me adding a little glitter and a Mod Podge to this vase. Some candlesticks I got at Ross. Now I'm going to go see if I can find some candles and some other decor. All right, so I have added a couple of buffet lamps that I picked up some time ago at Ross, and they're gold, but you know what? I love mixing gold and silver, so that works perfectly for me. You'll also notice if I pan down, I have added these little candle sconces on each side, candelabras. I've had those a while, and they were in the same spot, you know, before I decided to do this refresh. But what I did is take them, clean them up, and spray paint them because they were looking a little bit tarnished. I've had them for a long time. So again, I've spray painted both of those, and they're gold because, like I said, I like mixing my gold and silver. So I'm going to add a couple things, maybe some toss pillows or something to the front of this. And normally I would have, or for years, I guess, I've had pictures on this table. And so what I've decided to do is not put the pictures back this time. Instead, I'm going to put the pictures in different areas of the home. And I'm just going to leave this table like it is. Like I said, I'll get some pictures. I'll get some pillows here in a minute. But I just wanted something clean, something fresh. And, you know, it's spring. So let's see what it looks like with some pillows in the front. And I think that's all I'm going to really do. Like I said, I just don't want it to be too cluttered. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, I think I'm done. I wanted to keep this clean and this area clean and simple and fresh for spring. And I think this is how I'm going to leave it. I don't want a lot of clutter. Like I said, I've taken all the pictures away for now, and maybe I'll bring them back later, but for now I'm going to distribute them into different parts of the house. I've got my little throw pillows in the front here, and I did have another one of these candelabras that I spray painted and cleaned up. So I have that underneath. You'll see there in the middle. And I've added some blue candles down there. And I've got my buffet lamps, candlesticks, my little DIY vase and tray. I've added a tray, and I've got a little mirror. I like the nice white runner rather than just a plain glass. And I really like the way these, I'll get a little closer, the way these little silver doodads here came out. Well, they were brown, like I said. I painted them silver. I like the way they look. And they really look nice with this mirror that I hauled some time ago. It was part of a haul. There's a haul video, I think, that shows when I bought that mirror. And so that's it. That's my spring refresh on my entryway table. And I like it. I think it's much less cluttered, and it'll be a little easier to clean. So again, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. And before I end the video, I want to make sure that I give another shout out to the host for this collaboration. So again, this is the Entryway Decor Collab, March 2020. That's the hashtag. Tammy's going to have this going every month. The last Thursday of the month, we're going to change a little something in our entryway. And the other hashtag is Entryway Decor Collab 2020. Again, for this month is Entryway Decor Collab March 2020. Tammy's, it's Tammy Thompson TV. Her channel is Tammy Thompson TV MG. Again, Tammy does tablescapes, interior decorating, hauls, and more. And please make sure that you go over, check out her channel, give her some love. If you haven't subscribed to her channel, I hope you'll do that. You can easily find it because I'm going to have a link down in the description box. And again, guys, I always welcome all of your comments. If you think I should change something, think I should do something better, different, whatever, or if you like what I came up with, I'd love to hear what you have to say. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you'll do that. And please be on the lookout for the next video because I'm in the middle of getting ready for the spring affair. And you may have seen the invite video on that. So again, thanks for watching. And make sure you tap that hashtag. And it's Entryway Decor Collab March 2020. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.